Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own mini Christmas tree step by step. It is a really simple design, but just a couple key things that I'm excited to share with you. So let's grab the tools, all the materials we need, and let's get started. First, we need to create a base for our tree. I'm using craft foam blocks, which are easy to work with and provide a sturdy foundation. We'll glue these together using hot glue. Once the glue is dry, we'll cut the base into a cone shape. Of course, you can buy it from any craft shops. However, I don't have on hand, so I have to make one. So next I'm wrapping fabric around it. It's not necessary, but in my opinion, material sticks and holds better. Back in the days, I grabbed a very thin plywood piece which was left outside in my garden for some time, and I brought inside to dry it, and I can see they developed different patterns and color on it, and I definitely will use somewhere in my crafts, and this is a perfect time for it. And I'm covering it in Anna Sloan white chalk paint wax just to reduce that yellow tone. So next I'm drawing a leaf shape template for the piece of plywood, and we will need a lot of them, and you will see why later in the video. Now it's time to add some greenery. I'm using faux spruce and cedar stems, which are perfect for creating a realistic look. We'll glue these to the cone, wrapping them around the base to create a full lush tree. To finish my top of the tree, I'm adding a pine cone. If you don't like to finish that way, you can always glue the top with a small spruce stems. So this is a time when we are using those plywood leaf shaped pieces, and I'm scattering around the Christmas tree. To give more interest, I'm adding small pine cones. Let's give some colors to our Christmas tree by adding a red berries. And to finish my tree, I'm hanging a rustic metal stars with a white jute twine from the top. And voila, our mini Christmas tree is completed. It's a great way to bring some holiday cheer to your home or office. That's it for today's crafting session. I hope you enjoy making this mini Christmas tree with me. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more DIY projects and crafts ideas. Happy crafting, everyone!